Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best accessory for the Holy Stone HS720 and hydrogen sulfide E drones, the HeiyRC Propeller Guard. If you own one of these drones, you know how important it is to protect those delicate propellers, and this product is designed precisely for that purpose. The HeiyRC Propeller Guard is a must-have for any Holy Stone HS720 or HS720E drone owner who wants to keep their drone safe from collisions and damage. Made from durable ABS material, these guards provide a firm and reliable shield around the propeller blades. This not only helps prevent the propellers from getting damaged when you accidentally bump into obstacles, but it also protects people and pets around your flying drone, making it perfect for beginners or anyone flying in complex environments. One of the standout features of these guards is their unique upturned design. This design increases the protective coverage upwards as well, ensuring that your drone and its propellers are shielded in a wider range of angles. Whether you're flying indoors or navigating tricky outdoor spaces, this extra coverage gives you peace of mind. Despite their strong protection, the guards are surprisingly light, weighing just over 51 grams per set. This lightweight design means they won't interfere with the drone's flight performance or stability. The guards are precision-tailored to fit perfectly, so you don't have to worry about them hitting the propellers during flight. The buckle mechanism makes installation and removal quick and hassle-free, and once attached, the guards stay firmly in place without shaking or loosening mid-flight. In terms of what you get in the package, you receive 4 propeller guards, a full set for your drone. These guards are specifically compatible with the Holy Stone HS720 and hydrogen sulfide E models, but do note that they are not compatible with the HS720G version. Overall, the HeiyRC Propeller Guard adds a crucial layer of protection without adding unnecessary weight or complexity. It's an ideal choice for junior pilots just starting out, as well as advanced users who fly in environments where obstacles are common. Protect your investment and enjoy safer flights with this smart and effective accessory. That wraps up our look at the HeiyRC Propeller Guard for the Holy Stone HS720 and hydrogen sulfide E drones. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and tech insights.